talking like that.
I don't know what the fuck his problem is.
Oh, goodness. Did you figure out what it is?
It's gonna be stuck like this. Oh, you bitch.
Oh, shit. Are you okay?
No.
What was...
I just had demonic music coming from my fucking computer.
You sure wasn't your ghost trying to tell you something?
All American Summer. That is a song. What the fuck did you do to my computer?
I didn't do nothing.
Not you, this dude.
Oh, okay.
I was talking about a song and then that popped up on my computer.
Oh,
That dude from that I showed you a while ago, the one that had his leg up and then his underwear.
Yeah.
Oh.
That blows. It's kind of scary.
Fuck yeah. I'm updating my status now. I just had fucking demonic. How do you spell demonic?
DEMONIC.
Music coming from my computer.